Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of computer science and help you make informed decisions about your academic and professional journey. Today, we're going to discuss two popular advanced placement courses offered by the College Board: AP Computer Science Principles and AP Computer Science A. If you're considering taking one of these courses, you might be wondering which one to choose. In this video, we'll break down the key differences between AP CSA and provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision. AP Computer Science Principles and AP Computer Science A are two distinct courses that cater to different interests and skill levels. Both courses are designed to introduce students to the world of computer science, but they have different focuses, requirements, and outcomes. AP Computer Science Principles is a course that focuses on the basics of computer science, including the concepts of algorithms, programming, and data analysis. It's an introductory course that aims to provide students with a broad understanding of computer science and its applications in the real world. AP CSP is often considered a more accessible course as it doesn't require prior programming experience. The course is designed to be flexible, allowing students to use a variety of programming languages and tools. This flexibility is one of the key benefits of AP CSP, as it allows students to explore different programming languages and find the one that suits them best. Additionally, AP CSP places a strong emphasis on the creative and practical aspects of computer science, such as designing and developing software and working on real-world projects. On the other hand, AP Computer Science A is a more in-depth course that focuses on Java programming. It's a course that builds on prior programming experience, and it's designed to provide students with a deeper understanding of computer science concepts, including object-oriented programming, data structures, and algorithms. AP CSA is often considered a more challenging course, as it requires students to have prior programming experience and a strong foundation in mathematics. The course is designed to provide students with a comprehensive understanding of Java programming, and it's a great way to develop skills that are in high demand in the industry. When it comes to course requirements, AP CSP and AP CSA have some key differences. AP CSP requires students to complete a series of online coding activities and a final project, which can be completed individually or in groups. The final project allows students to showcase their skills and creativity by developing a program that solves a real-world problem. This project-based approach is one of the key benefits of AP CSP, as it allows students to apply their knowledge and skills to real-world scenarios. AP CSA, on the other hand, requires students to complete a series of coding assignments and a final exam. The final exam tests students' understanding of Java programming and computer science concepts. The exam is designed to assess students' ability to write Java code, as well as their understanding of computer science concepts such as algorithms, data structures, and software design. While the exam can be challenging, it's a great way to demonstrate students' skills and knowledge, and it's a valuable experience for anyone who wants to pursue a career in computer science. In terms of career path and college credit, both courses have similar benefits. Both AP CSP and AP CSA can earn you college credit depending on your score and the institution you attend. Many colleges and universities accept AP CSA credits, which can help you save time and money. Additionally, both courses can provide you with a competitive edge in the job market as they demonstrate your skills and knowledge in computer science. So, which course should you choose? If you're new to programming and want to explore the world of computer science, AP CSP might be the better choice. AP CSP provides a broad introduction to computer science, and it's a great way to learn the basics of programming and data analysis. The course is designed to be flexible, and it's a great way to get started with computer science. On the other hand, if you have prior programming experience and want to dive deeper into computer science, AP CSA might be the better choice. AP CSA provides a more in-depth look at computer science concepts, and it's a great way to develop your programming skills. The course is designed to provide students with a comprehensive understanding of Java programming, and it's a great way to prepare for a career in software development. Ultimately, the choice between AP CSP and AP CSA depends on your interests, skills, and goals. If you're interested in exploring the world of computer science and you want to learn the basics of programming and data analysis, AP CSP might be the better choice. On the other hand, if you have prior programming experience and you want to dive deeper into computer science, AP CSA might be the better choice. It's also worth considering your future plans and goals. If you're planning to pursue a career in software development, APCS might be the better choice. On the other hand, if you're interested in exploring the world of computer science and you want to learn the basics of programming and data analysis, APCSP might be the better choice. In addition to considering your interests and skills, it's also important to consider the resources and support that are available to you. If you have access to a computer science teacher or mentor, they may be able to provide you with guidance and support as you navigate the course. Additionally, there are many online resources and communities that can provide you with support and guidance as you learn. It's also worth noting that both APCSP and APCSA are valuable courses that can provide you with a competitive edge in the job market. Employers are looking for candidates who have skills and knowledge in computer science, and both courses can demonstrate your skills and knowledge in this area. In conclusion, APCSP and APCSA are two distinct courses that cater to different interests and skill levels. While both courses have similar benefits, they have different focuses, requirements, and outcomes. APCSP is a more accessible course that provides a broad introduction to computer science, while APCSA is a more in-depth course that focuses on Java programming. When choosing between APCSA, it's essential to consider your interests, skills, and goals. If you're new to programming, APCSP might be the better choice. On the other hand, if you have prior programming experience, APCSA might be the better choice. Ultimately, the choice between APCSP and APCSA depends on your individual circumstances, and it's essential to weigh the pros and cons of each course before making a decision. Thanks for watching, and we encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos. We'll see you in the next video.